Yep, he likes it. He's eating it. Yum. Yummy, yummy. Morning, buddy. Okay. Hi. Oh, big stretches. Oh, what the heck? That was Danny. You ready to go potty? Yeah? Okay. Good boy. Right. Oh, good morning, sir. Is it time for coffee, bud? Yes. It's always time for coffee. Had to empty my capsule bin first. Put that back there. Now to choose our drink. I think we'll just do a regular coffee this morning. And then we start. And then here's a little hint as to what we're doing in today's video. Got some pumpkin spice latte creamer right here that I will put in my coffee. Should be good. While I'm drinking my coffee, I'll give Milton his breakfast. I need to wash his bowl. Oof. He still eats Fresh Pet, but we're currently trying to transition him to another brand of food. So I put mostly this and then just a little bit of the other food. And you want to do it super slowly to not upset their stomach. We tried to transition previously and I think we did it too fast and it did upset his stomach. So we're kind of starting back from square one and just doing it like even more slowly than we did before. And then this is the other brand he is going to be transitioning to. It's an Instinct Raw Boost salmon recipe food. So right now I'm just giving him a little 4th cup scoop and put that in with his regular food. And then I like to mix it up a bit before I give it to him. Milton, come on, let's go eat breakfast. Yeah. Sit. Not what I wanted, but close enough, I guess. Okay, good boy. Somebody finishes breakfast and now he is barking at TJ's breakfast smoothie. Straws are not scary, sir. Yes, you do. He always tries to get toys out of his crate without realizing that he can just go in to get them. He always tries to like pull them through the side. Here, I'll help you real fast. All we gotta do is open this crate door. See? Now you can go in to get them. Yeah, do it. But before we do this video, I think I have to put on something a little more appropriate, so let's do that now. Much better. Are you ready, little sir? Yeah. Welcome to the first ever episode of Cooking with Maddie and Milton. Actually, no, it's not that serious. But today, as I alluded with the pumpkin spice creamer, I'm going to be showing you all 2 dog treats that you can make your pup for fall. So the first recipe I'm going to be making is a dog-friendly pumpkin spice latte. And to make this, you just need 5 simple ingredients. I couldn't math at first. And this recipe is from the channel Cooking with Janika. And I will link that down below, just to credit that I did not come up with this recipe, but I am just making it to show you. So the first thing you'll need is 1 cup of either coconut or goat milk. I got the unsweetened coconut, so if you are getting coconut milk, make sure to get the unsweetened kind. You need 1 cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, just plain pureed pumpkin. Ginger and cinnamon. And to top it all off, some whipped cream. Make sure that this does not have any artificial sweeteners in it because those are not good for dogs. So this one is just regular cream, milk and sugar. And I'm actually gonna cut down this recipe a bit just so I just make like 1 serving size. So I'm actually gonna fourth everything. Just mix that. Milton's watching me like, I'm making something for you, little sir. I am not a professional chef in any regard, so we'll see how this goes. 1 cup of this, I need a spoon. Also, pumpkin is really good if your dog has an upset stomach. You can just put pureed pumpkin in their food or freeze it and do like little pumpkin ice cubes. Just a hack for anyone who didn't know that. Probably most of you know that. But if you didn't, that's a hack. This isn't quite the cup, but I have another recipe that I need to use this for, so we're not going to use all of it. And then we just need a dash of ginger and cinnamon. And then cinnamon, of course. I'm just making a mess today. Seems good. And then just mix this. So I'm gonna blend this, and then I will be right back, fam. Actually smells very good. And then our last step is to pour it into a glass, top with whipped cream, and serve. We'll do this little cup. So we have that. And then we take our whipped cream. Voila, a pumpkin spice latte. So the next recipe we're making is slightly more involved, and you don't need to get this, but this is how I'm making this recipe. So we're doing actual dog treats this time. And I have this Dash dog treat maker, which I can link to in our Amazon shop below. And so the molds are like actual dog bone shapes. So you can just put whatever batter you made right inside and close them. So we're gonna be making pumpkin spice, peanut butter, and pumpkin dog treats. A lot of words, but I think it's gonna be pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this maker in so it can warm up. And this recipe is from Southern Bites. Does anyone ever get annoyed with recipes how the actual one part you want is all the way at the bottom? So the ingredient list for this one is a little more involved than the others, but basically we need canned pumpkin, whole wheat flour, specifically whole wheat flour I've noticed is in a lot of dog treats, probably because it's like the least processed version. Old-fashioned oats. I know this says instant oats, but these ones are old-fashioned. 1 egg, organic peanut butter. Make sure the peanut butter you're getting does not have artificial sweeteners in it. Some of them do. This one's just plain organic creamy peanut butter. And then for seasonings, we need ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric. And so our first step is to mix everything together. And I'm halving this recipe, so when I link it down below, whatever ingredients you're seeing, I just did half of all of those.
Cover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other.
At first I was just gonna hand mix it, but I think with the peanut butter it's gonna be a little bit too difficult. So we are breaking out the stand mixer. So if you have a stand mixer, I would recommend using this. Otherwise, you can use like a hand mixer or just like really mix it by yourself. It says mix everything together until it is combined. It will be a bit dry and crumbly, but will stick together and malleable like Play-Doh. Looks good to me. Looks very Play-Doh-y. Just gonna push this out. And so the last step is to make our treats. So the directions say to use your hands to press into the mold, but since these are hot, I'm going to use a spatula.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
All right, so these are filled, and now I'm just going to close and wait for the blue light to turn off. The next step is to flip these over so they can cook on the other side. Flipping these over. And just set this down a little bit longer, let the other side cook. And I'm gonna say they're done. And here are the finished products. So these are our pumpkin peanut butter cinnamon treats. If I can get it to focus, there you go. Pumpkin cinnamon treats, and they're like a milk bone consistency in terms of dryness. They're like pretty crunchy. And then we have our pumpkin spice latte with a little bit of whipped cream on top. So let's see what our taste tester thinks of both of these. So we have the pumpkin spice latte and we have the treat. So I'm gonna let him try the pumpkin spice latte first. It's definitely a kind of messy treat, but he seems to be liking it. Good boy. Yeah, this one's messy, so we're not gonna give him any more of this one. But he did like it. Now let's give him a treat. Well, he walked away, so that means he likes it. Yep, he likes it. He's eating it. Yum. Yummy, yummy. Say goodbye to the vlog. Oh, you just want more of your pumpkin spice latte. You can have more. Well, while he's eating that, I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye to everyone. I hope you enjoyed our little cooking demonstration on these 2 fall treats for puppies. And hopefully you can make one for your own and have a treat-obsessed dog like Milton is. But anyways, as always, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already so that you can continue to see more content from our channel. We love making videos for y'all and we hope you have a great day. See you on the next vlog. Bye!